65 people from 40 countries attended the seminar for OIE National Focal Points for Animal Welfare of the European region, held in Teramo, Italy, in March 2013. The focal points for animal welfare, designated by the OIE delegates of member countries, met with the purpose to update their knowledge on their roles and responsibilities in supporting and strengthening the implementation of the OIE standard.
At the national level, the OIE delegate, namely the chief veterinary officer, face a lot and many challenges. And in order to meet their duty and to comply with the OIE standard, the OIE requests all the national delegates to nominate focal points in several domains like animal welfare in order to support the delegates.
So they will have to increase networks in member states, in member countries, and to make networks with other focal points.
Yes, it is very important to develop and maintain a network between all the focal points, not only for some specific issues, but also together, in order to increase the capacity to the veterinary service to be informed on the last best scientific knowledge and also on the OIE activities.
The implementation of international standards was included in the Animal Welfare Strategy 2012-15. How is the Commission working to fulfill this fundamental?
The Commission is looking into animal welfare standards and looking to have an international implementation through, first of all, the understanding of them. And for it, there are two important elements there. The role of science. We have a European Food Safety Authority that is in fact working on it and developing a benchmarking for them. Second, of course, is the understanding through education and training. This is why, like here in Teramo, that is an important center for learning and training, we are having this OIE meeting that is in fact the way to bridge through the European Union and the other country member of the OIE in the world to bridge knowledge and understanding of this. So animal welfare standards through learning and through science.
There is a clear demand from the EU for equivalent status for imported products. How do animal welfare standards impact on this requirement? Equivalency seems to be the crucial word.
Yes, it's the first time that we are dealing with equivalency in terms of trade for animal welfare. It was demanded strongly by the European institution. So it's a delicate exercise because animal welfare is a sophisticated science, new. What we are looking is an important interaction between the standards that are applied and adopted through the OIE and the standards that are applied and adopted through the EU legislation.
The seminar was held in Teramo, Italy, at the OIE Collaborating Center for Veterinary Training, Epidemiology, Food Safety and Animal Welfare. We believe that the sustainability of the integrated system, animal health, animal welfare, food safety, environmental protection, said Fernando Arnolfo, Director General, can be achieved through networking and knowledge sharing. In this sense, we wish to fulfill our OIE mandate, sharing our resources with member countries. This seminar was supported by the Italian veterinary services, which give a strong value to the OIE approach to animal health and welfare and the protection of human health.
proteggere il nostro patrimonio zootecnico.
Member countries, said Pier Giuseppe Facelli, can significantly benefit from the OIE work since the joint efforts to fight against animal diseases, including zoonosis, protect their animals and their citizens. Working together, he concluded, country veterinary services improve their capacities and optimize their resources. Knowledge management appears to be a critical factor to improve the implementation of animal welfare standards. The last conference of the OIE Regional Commission for Europe proposed the implementation of an animal welfare platform for Europe.
This platform will be very important to develop a strong link between member countries within the Europe region, particularly because in Europe we have on the first side the EU member countries. We are implemented very significant legislation, regulation on animal welfare, and the other country, non-EU member. And the objective of this platform will be to have an opportunity to exchange knowledge, to discuss about the constraints for the implementation of the animal welfare, and of course to make suggestions to improve the implementation of the OIE standard on animal welfare.
At the conclusion of the parallel sessions, countries acknowledged the importance of training, education, networking, knowledge sharing. All these factors are a strength and a weak point at the same time, but the dialogue among member countries and among stakeholders is becoming more and more intense.